In the previous video, we were confronted with a runtime that is also recursive and takes form as an expression of its function, factorial. My name is Roy. Welcome to CanLearn. This expression is an example of a recurrence relation, and lucky us, there is a smart technique of confronting this situation. We will use what we called repeated substitution. It's not really hard. In our example, recurrence occurs when n is greater than 0 and we have c of n gets c of n minus 1 plus t sub 2. Intuitively, when n is n minus 1, the runtime would be c of n minus 1 is c of n minus 2 plus t sub 2. We can substitute c of n minus 1 to the first expression and we get c of n gets c of n minus 2 plus t sub 2 plus t sub 2. I know, right? We can further this process by repeatedly substituting the runtime t of n to the runtimes for smaller values of n. At this point, try to observe the pattern that is emerging. Can you point this out? Well, the obvious pattern is the coefficient. Let us assign k for it. C of n is equal to c of n minus k plus k times t sub 2, where k is greater or equal to 1 and less than or equal to n. What if n is known in advance? We can just repeat the process of the substitution until we get t of 0. But n is unknown, and what we really need is to get to the part where we arrive at n equal to 0. The good news is, it will happen if k gets to 0. In this case, our recurrence relations become c of n is equal to c of n minus k plus k times t sub 2. We will get t of 0 plus k times t sub 2. Any idea what's next? C of 0 is just t sub 1. And so, our total runtime is t sub 1 plus k times t sub 2. But wait, since k is equal to n, then this also becomes t sub 1 plus n t sub 2. There. So our total runtime for the function factorial is t sub 1 plus t sub 2 times n, where t sub 1 is 3 time f plus time less plus time r, and t sub 2 is 5 time f plus time less plus time minus plus time s plus time times plus time c plus time r. I know in your mind this kind of result is so mainstream already, so I will stop here, and this concludes this section on the detailed model of the computer. See you to the next.